Hey, well, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome here to the Polaris site. Welcome along. Come and check out all the amazing Polaris products here on site. Make sure you check out all the accessories as well. We're just going to run through and do a quick demonstration on some of the key features. So now here we are sitting at the bottom of a gentle incline, okay, and we're sitting here and we're going to be in low range, but now I don't want to be in turf mode, which I use for my turn. I'm going to go now into all-wheel drive, and then in this one past that to ADC. Second thing here, when I am driving up, I now prepare myself because I want to say to myself, my right foot is my throttle foot, my left foot is my brake foot. I don't want to drive it like a normal automatic vehicle, because when I head up there and I start getting gravity coming into play, if I come off the gas, gravity will want to pull me back this way. Okay, so what I do is as I come off the throttle, I go on the brake. I'll show you. Okay, so we're in low range, we've got our ADC set, and we start going up. Of course, ADC is not going to work when I'm giving it gas. Okay, so I'm going to try and slow me down when I want to go. And I can get just enough drive there just to keep me moving. When I come off the throttle, I'm already on the brake, so it doesn't roll back. Now, if Linda was to get out and open the gate for me, she jumps back in, we're ready to go. What I now want to do is bring some gas in before I come off the brake. That loads it up and allows me to walk out of here. So now we can walk out of there, there's no rollback, there's no wheel spin, great. So now we want to go backwards. The only safe way to go backwards with our fail to climb is to pop it into reverse. Now I talked at the bottom of him about how good ADC is. Check this out, right? So now I'm in reverse gear and I start coming off the brake, and now I've got no feet on any pedals. And you can see how the vehicle loads up. So remember, we've got the mechanical system with my tight belt and the CVT, or PVT, and then also electronically we're loading up the front, of course. So we're going to go up, we're going to go down the other side now, and then we're going to pop round into the hole, and we're just going to show you that four-wheel drive system I showed you on there. In a real life, you don't have rollers on your farm, but you do have ditches, you do have drains that you need to cross sometimes. So we'll go and drive over that one. So back into low range. Again, I've still got my ADC on, it's not working when I'm driving forward, and we can walk on up the hill. Giving it just enough gas, I don't need to create wheel spin, and I'm just working that, just minute changes in pressure. And as we come over the edge again, I've got no feet on any pedals. And again, remembering that the brakes aren't working at the braking system at the wheels, it's the loading that's loading up, and you can hear it and change it, but that's total control as we come down there. When I get to the bottom now, I've got a tight turn, so I can flick it back into turf mode. And I can do that on the fly as I'm coming around. That now allows me to come around and line up for the hole. I'm again 2-foot driving, so as we come into here, I know that this wheel, as it drops into the hole, is going to start lifting that back wheel. Great momentum, mass shift. Again, even there you can see it's not going to fall over, right? We're quite safe. As we come out the other side, again, I'm just using that little bit of 2-foot. For all you guys outside, watch that wheel there as it comes into the air. This is true full drive. I'm not playing with buttons in here. This comes in on demand, right? And that wheel's turning at the same speed as all the other wheels, which is just that true four-wheel drive system. So things now become very simple, very safe, if we know and understand the machines and use them.